beige flag. Now, repeat after me. Beige flag. Beige flag. Welcome to English Dictionary Infinity, where we help you perfect your pronunciation and expand your vocabulary one word at a time. Meaning. A beige flag is a term used in the dating world to describe a quirky, slightly odd, or neutral behavior in someone that's neither a red flag, a warning sign, nor a green flag, a positive trait. Beige flags are often harmless, but may make you pause and wonder about the person's habits or personality. They're not deal breakers, but can be a little offbeat or amusing. Think of it like this. A beige flag is something a person does that's a bit quirky or unexpected, but not necessarily a bad thing. He sets 5 alarms every morning, even though he always wakes up after the first one. Definitely a beige flag. Here, the beige flag refers to a strange but harmless habit. Let's try another example. Her obsession with collecting spoons from every place she visits is a total beige flag. Synonyms. Some related terms for beige flag are odd quirk, a strange but endearing or neutral behavior. Peculiar habit, something unusual someone does but isn't harmful or alarming. Antonyms. The opposite of beige flag would be red flag, a warning sign of problematic behavior. Green flag, a positive or encouraging behavior. Part of speech. Beige flag is a noun referring to a neutral or quirky behavior in someone, especially in dating. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to keep building your vocabulary with us at English Dictionary Infinity. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for more words and pronunciation tips. See you next time.